Hello, this is Stefano. I'll be showing you how to remove a pump from an Elektra Semiautomatica. Before we are even touching the screw from underneath, well technically from above, we're gonna loosen the two lines. And you have a 12 and a 13 millimeter. You start loosening the stainless steel braided hose. Of course, the machine is already emptied out, but there will always be a little water potentially on the line unless the machine is completely dried out, like this one was. Once that's loosened, you find the screw, you loosen the screw, once the screw is removed, you pull the pump up, you disconnect the incoming water line. You disconnect and inspect the two wires. And as we offer on the webpage, you have the option to buy a pump without a pre-drill and tap hole and save a little money, or you can buy it with the hole pre-drill and tapped already. Once the pump is removed, you install the new one, and I'll be showing you how to do that shortly. Stand by. Reconnect the fitting to the pump neck and tighten the hose. Reconnect the incoming hose with the pipette. Reconnect the two wires. The rubber needs to be positioned on the hole to match the hole in the pump. With a pointy tool, even a pencil for that matter, center the hole on to the pump bracket. Make sure make sure the wires are not pinched. Take your screw, start the screw by hand. Once the screw is started and the pump is held in place, at least temporarily. Again, check that no wires have been pinched. Tighten the hose entirely, the fitting, tighten the screw, and my recommendation is to remove a wire from the safety thermostat. This one is damaged, so it will need to be replaced, but that's a different story. Before filling up the machine. Wire disconnect, put the machine on its feet, fill the boiler enough for the water line to cover the heating element. Then dispense some water out from the group head, revert the machine again, reconnect the wire, and proceed as a normal beginning of powering up your Elektra Semiautomatica Espresso machine. Thank you for watching.